All right, guys, we've got the Vikutu magnetic solar powered rear view camera. Why is this so cool? If you got an RV or if you just have a big car and you need a rear view and you want that camera, this thing easily, you can see right here, easily goes onto the car. We're going to show the side of this car just because I don't want to accidentally show my license plate, but you can easily see how this will just go to your car anywhere, and it's stable. It's very stable. And so you can angle it where it's hitting the sun. You've got the solar powered here, and then you've also got the camera. Now, if you don't have enough sun, you're in the rainy season or something like that, you just have this USB-C cord, and you can just charge it at night when you're not driving. So what I'm going to do now is we're just going to do it live. Let's turn this on. All right. It's on, and we're just going to put it on the side of the car here. And here's the other cool thing about it. You don't have to do anything. You've got the monitor here. All we do is just put this in the front. And I'm going to put that in right now. Come on over. Look at that. That's how easy, stupid easy this is to use. It's already showing the rear view. Actually, go back to the camera and just show. Yeah. So you can see it's already showing it live. So come back over here. So, and this thing can stick up to your dash. So you're just going to have this. I mean, this is literally plug and play. And this is something that you can adjust to all your different vehicles effortlessly. I think the value of it speaks for itself. I showed you how stupid easy it was for me to use. It's going to be even easier for you because you're smarter than me.